One day I'm asking to go out with a girl, and this girl told me, I don't trust you because you are Italian.
Hola mi gente, it's your boy Roman here again with another video, and today we'll be talking about what foreigners think about France. So that include all the stereotypes, the impressions, and simply their experiences. So if you'd like to know what that is about, just simply stay tuned and I'll see you in a few. Alright, great. So basically what you'll be doing is presenting yourself by telling me your name and where you're from.
Okay. My name is Seth. I'm from California in the United States.
So my name is Masila. I'm from Algeria.
Alright, good.
I'm Tufika from Algeria too.
My name is Victor and I'm from Mexico.
My name is Pirina. I come from Peru.
My name is Evla. I'm 18 years old and I'm Moroccan and I'm studying here in France.
Well, my name is Ashraf El Mokhtari. People call me Ash here. It's a bit easier to remember. I'm 24 years old. I'm from Morocco.
I'm Valeriano and I come from Italy.
How long have you been in France?
My first time was over 6 years ago. The second one was for assistance programs language.
Yes.
Well, it was just for 7 months
Okay.
or less. And the third one is right now. I came here in August.
It's my first year here since September 2.
From September.
September?
Yeah.
It has been like 3 years.
3 years, yeah.
So I've been in France for about 3 months now. I did previously study in Paris for a year.
I came here like almost 4 years ago.
Since 2015, so 4 years.
Before coming to France, what were your expectations? What did you think France would be like?
I had just the cliché,
Which is?
like fashion,
Fashion, okay?
how they smell,
Okay. Which is?
the French.
Yeah. That's good?
Bah, no.
Okay.
But it's a cliché. Sometimes
Okay.
true, but not all the time.
Okay.
And that they talk a lot of weather.
Well, I had quite an idea about foreign students here. I thought when they come here, they are a bit oppressed. They find difficulties in order to integrate with other students to find friends.
That there's a people that are eating a lot of cheese, a lot of a good cooking, a good food in general. Cool people maybe between the culture.
I didn't think I would meet some great people. I thought I would not have a lot of friends, and she talked about food.
Yeah.
I didn't think that there will be like some good food.
In the States, we have the stereotype that French people are rude, that the service is horrible here.
For me, I thought that coming in France, it's very easy to live and it's very easy to achieve your goals.
For Italian people of the south, for example, my friends, French are homosexual because their accent it's not really mature like Italian, or they are nasty because the recent BD. It's not every time the case. It's just a stereotype.
Very good. And now that you're in France, what's your impression of France now?
Here we are much honest. We work together, and this is what I love of France.
Well, it's a free country, I would say. It's a free country where religions and all sorts of nationalities coexist, and that's something we don't find in all countries.
Here in the north, the people is
Bonjour.
more, it's kind. But the people of the south, they are too kind, but not like the people in the north. And if you talk about the Parisian, it's different people. It's not really the friends of the people of the French side.
The people are kind, like they welcome you I don't know how to say in English, but chaleureusement.
In France, it's very difficult because you need to be responsible and you need to work hard and
The people are nice. They're very, very generous.
Sweet. Alright, so. And what is your worst experience here in France?
My worst experience in France was in Lille because you know you are Italian, you love girl, you want to go out with some girl, and I'm not. I put just a promise. I'm not the Italian macho. Okay, so I'm not in the case to going out with a lot of girls, just one girls, and after maybe another, but I'm focused just on one girl, and the problem is that one day I'm asking to go out with a girl, and this girl told me I don't trust you because you are Italian, without knowing me. I don't know, maybe it's a sort of racism.
Some people thought that I was an illegal.
Oh.
So that it happens once when I was walking around Lyon, another city between Paris and Lille, and with a friend from Guatemala, and we passed through the little town, and the police stopped us.
They stopped you?
Yeah. And
Wait, the police stopped you?
Yeah.
And what was that like?
What? They just came to us and asked us what we did there. And this time there, I didn't talk French either. So
for me,
Alright.
it's studying and working at the same time.
That's your worst experience? Alright.
difficult.
So working and studying at the same time.
It was raining so hard and I wasn't used to it at all. Like I'm from Morocco, like there is rain, but I didn't get used to go to school in the morning. It was raining and I just got wet. I was all wet and I said, did I have to go to school or I go back home? And then I just went to school wet with my hair, my clothes, and it was raining as hell.
That was the language, the communication. The beginning was really strong. It's hard for me to understand and learn quickly French.
Well, the worst experience I've ever had, and it's a recurring experience, is bureaucracy in France. Paperwork, you have to bring 25 papers and then they'll ask you for 3 or 4 more even though you already gave them that paper. So it takes forever, and then it takes 2, 3, 4 months after that for the paperwork to be finished.
Was with administrations.
Okay, explain.
Well, I've been a student for the whole 4 years I've been here. I'm still a student and I work as well. I have work too many hours a week. So in order for me to go to administrations and ask for papers or documents, it was a bit difficult for me, and it wasn't always a yes. I had to go back and check some things. I had to, well, it wasn't easy, I would say.
Alright. And what about your best experience? What's your most remarkable experience here in France?
My best experience, my work, because I work as a private security, and I had the chance to meet some of the celebrities, some of the known people like François Hollande, the former president.
Oh,
of the
very
Republic.
nice. Very nice.
So that was a good experience.
Living alone. Living alone, it's really the best experience, and you learn a lot by living alone. It's your first time and everything, but it's a pretty good experience.
Very good. What about you? What's your best experience?
I don't know. I think was that knowledge of the French, the meeting that on new language like French. I think it was.
Very good.
I would say right now I have 2 French roommates, and they're absolutely the most amazing people ever. So we have a great time, we cook together, and I'm enjoying learning French culture from them.
But I think that after that, all my experience were very good. And
My girlfriend that I love so much, and I think that I'll do my life with her.
What would you tell persons who are interested in visiting France? What advice or recommendations would you give to people who want to visit France?
I would say that they should absolutely come. It's a pretty good way, but they should get informed way before to come. To get well informed.
What do you mean by get well? What do you mean about what exactly?
To search for good places and you know, locations and good, like, so they will not get lost and lost all their money.
Saint-Michel Mountain.
Mm-hmm.
It's a castle, I think so. Yeah, it's interesting. If you want, you can pay the visit.
Right.
Get the visit.
first, try to talk with people.
Okay.
They love, a lot of people love know about the other country. That was my advantage here. Like a Mexican, everybody was very interesting to me.
Yeah.
Well, you can enjoy that and have a lot of visit of anywhere and have a free meal too.
Free meal. Well, how do you get free meals?
I mean, anybody wants to invitate to go and eat anything, for example, and they pay.
Oh God.
So here, when you are invited, it's they who pay.
Oh, that's good.
Not like Mexico. Mexico is different, but here I always say I have no money, sorry, but they don't. It's okay. Okay. It's okay for me too.
It's probably maybe having more friends from different nationalities.
Yeah.
The opportunity to meet a Roman, Jamaican one.
Okay,
Yeah.
Cool.
I really advise them like to come here to France. I think it's a good country.
All right.
And yeah.
All right. Too fake.
For me, just come.
Just come.
Yeah, just come and you will see that with your own eyes, and you will do like us.
All right.
It's really
Cool.
difficult in the beginning, but after.
It would be best to create a small network with people, to be as sociable as much sociable as possible, and then everything would be easy. Even especially to find a work, to find a job, to I don't know. If everything, it helps doing everything. You have to make as much relations as possible with people. Be sociable.
Yeah, you have to be open, because in France, I think that France is more free,
Liberal.
than Italy. So you are the homosexuality that is open. You can see everywhere. Yeah,
Right.
It's this. So you have to be open. You have to not to be closed, and you have to inform you about the legal system and the financial system that could be really useful for you.
Bring every single paper that you could ever think of. You need your social, what is it? You need your,
Social security number.
yes, you need your birth certificate. That's very important. You need to get it translated by an official translator. Bring the apostille, and come here with an open mind. France is lovely. It's a great place.
All right, sweet. Thanks.
So here again, guys, if you made it this far into the video, thank you so much for the support. Just don't forget to give it a big thumbs up if you liked it, and if you'd like to hear more from me, just remember, don't forget to subscribe down below. And before we go, guys, if you have any comments, anything you'd like to know about France, hear about France, or anything you'd like to see, just simply leave them in the comments below. And if you'd like to give me your own or share your personal experiences or stereotypes or impressions of France, also you may leave them below, and I'll see you guys in 2 weeks. However, there's one more thing. I might start doing videos weekly, but it depends on how free my time becomes. So for now, it's just going to be bi-weekly. So with that said, I'll see you guys in 2 weeks time. Ciao.